Peter, do you think it's going to be a gas-fired pool heater or a heat pump?
We'll go with heat pump.
We're doing that before White Castle at 8 o'clock in the morning. Mike and Peter, go to White Castle. Well, Peter, I guess I was wrong about the heat pump. Because that's a gas service. I also got a heat pump, but it's tricking us. How are you, sir?
All right, how are you?
Good. Oh, he's got a heat pump.
Yeah.
I knew it. As soon as I saw the semi...
Well, I told them. They didn't let you know?
No, they tell me he doesn't matter to me. We like to play a guessing game. Okay.
They asked me what was wrong.
What's wrong with it?
It's on. I pressed the button. It would click like it was trying to spin.
Okay.
And then it would hum for a second, and then nothing.
Okay.
And then that was the first time, and then after that, nothing. I tried doing it with the timer, setting it, and the heat, raising the heat level, and nothing.
How old is this heater?
2 years.
All right. All right, Peter, let's take off that panel. See what we see in there. 45.5. Oh, it's like a yellow lab mix.
Yeah, he's a rescue.
Hi.
Brody. Say hi.
Say hi. Okay. 45.5. Let's see what we got here. Can it be that easy?
No way.
Wow. Okay, check the other
No
side.
way. What?
All right, hold on. Now let's make sure our meter test together. Oh. No, do it again. Good. Okay. Now test.
Make sure we get a solid connection.
Yeah. Wow.
What?
It is nothing.
Completely.
Completely kaput. It's completely kaput. No way. Hold on. Does it pass the shake test? Yeah, it passed the shake test. And it's made in... Oh, you know why? Peter, it's made in India. All right, there's our new capacitor. The red is on common, brown is on fan, yellow is on Herm. We're using a Titan HD, made in America. And that will hopefully solve the problem.
Should I kick on the filter?
Yeah. Okay. Had it on 59. Water 77. Wow. Compressor start delay. All right. 82.8. We have the thermocouple on that supply jet. What's the temperature of the pool? Right over there. And we are 80. Okay. Not bad. It's not a gas heater. It goes up slowly over time. Ambient temperature 81. Let's check discharge. At 68 probably. Yeah, maybe 70. All right. So if you have a pool heater, regardless if it's gas or electric, give me a call. Mikey Pipes, a pipe doctor, 516-348-6300. We're based in Valley Stream, New York. I'll be glad to help you out. We're an authorized Jandy service provider, Hayward service provider, and Raypak service provider. We got you covered all three bases. Give me a call, 516-348-6300.